Afenyomakin is a member of parliament who knows how the law works. And also he's a lawyer. And you, the IGP, you are sitting there like a toy. Why is the police not bringing a statement out? Why is he not being invited? A police officer was assaulted by the minority leader. Watch the video again. You, this IGP, you will never have peace under me.
About the party, so and rather you say mighty minority caucus, demonstration, one grand man, and say. Save the judiciary a demonstration but this is one Rafinyo marking any DNA Sembibena and a course so I Nina efa petitioner Ira John Dramani Mohammed Abatu just say so Mammy get to Kono a Chief Justice ordinary Juma at 2 honum nature say ye Chief Justice for no and I just a minority caucus so Montia Sintino on bed demonstration change a crown and say Afa Hanumako Pimu a high court. Send a bear no medium petition never call to try a woman manager say and yasam put on and brother na and yasam could and then send benign and course so demonstration yasam and not say Irafin your marking only police need to grandpa say yet Satisana and yasam no and I said Kelvin I bet to be a dear man 1 hour yet demonstration and can't Irafin your mark on any dear name and then somehow dry Kelvin I bet to a dear money a minority caucus any the moment we demonstration there and yasam because to be the one left and right front and back and yasem ketua and the uncle could some other beer Kelvin Taylor ever to be a dear man minority caucus and I feel no more and drada or more years save the judiciary demonstration here by us so a dear mamma.
Yes, say a year MP before any parties in 5 echo year demonstration 5 into MP become a party 6 and now bear 5 now. Demonstration. The question is demonstration no MPP de bi omo kan mo say abo oso na ne wonam so abo oso na ne nam do so omo be demonstration e bi nsi Ghana da demonstration a mammoth ye ka say bibi a mammoth ye ka say demonstration bi gigantic ana gigantic however you want to say it ye ka demonstration bi overwhelming ye ka demonstration bi record breaking omo ka say demonstration omo be no e bi nsi Ghana da. And the number of people we will see on the streets of Ghana, it will show how powerful the NPP as a political party is. You can say, okay, yati. I'm say people will come out of their rooms. A man for PA, they will not go to work. A man for the office, or make jai office na be jina kwa home. Ma me form to be no nyina be jai duane no. Omba be di omochi every say. Afenyoma can send a girlfriend tokonu. You see a suspended into Afenyoma can so on tiasie into the ECG container ska. Any Ghana water container ska, any Ghana road fund content sikano, or the bar campaign ama ni girlfriend Madam Tokonu. And don't get me wrong, when they say somebody's girlfriend, it does not necessarily mean say Sebio or Nene da or Yini Bema, not a shouldn't be and yes anity. We all have girlfriends, a ma or your damfo. Intia Juma Montiasie. Now demonstration ibo and they be see at for your marking any lead MPP for say omunye demonstration. 4 other parties or 5 other parties were part of this demonstration. Now you expect to say, anka demonstration as no, say parties na omunyina come with tibo muno. Say omuye so potent. Omuye party omuye recognizable. Omuye party omuye effect on our political discourse and the way we are basically running this country. And also we say at least anya kra about beye 10,000 people here. You're supposed to see it. Young fans say MPP inquire the be about 7,000 beba. Na kokoshe about 400 dia kana besoso. Is that what we saw today? Did we see the big demonstration at NPP somewhere, the biggest opposition party in Ghana, and at the course now omu taking sa protest na omu yama afenyoma ken girlfriend na party ni penny for yesterday show me busamu say the chairman now released his statement said the chairman of the NPP is just going to take a break to prepare for a demonstration. Did you see the chairman at the demonstration? Because more NPP followers is some with Jimmy. And because somewhere it's not in bad and just say be a time mo. Me catch them somewhere Jimmy because mama party for Jimmy mo every day. Did you see the chairman? Did the chairman speak at the event? Did you come across the chairman who they said say we jai thank you Tono or prepare 5 days for the demonstration? Did you see him there? The banner NDC for a demonstration chairman or leading party no has not shown up. Where will be that? Every demonstration bia NDC bia their chairman represents, because the leader of the party is the chairman. The general secretary is not the leader of the party. The national youth organizer is not the leader of the party. The women's D&D is not, the chairman of the party is the leader of the party. When the party says, say, yes, thank you, to, and I say, who born doctor? Now, say, I will be sick. Until the chairman is taking a break, and the break is because of this demonstration. Now, they could do demonstration as now with chairman now. What does that tell you? It means the whole structure, that party itself, sebio, the leadership, no, Jimmy. Now, there's a reason why today they are not so loud about the demonstration, because it flopped. Because Ghana they have come to that realization, say the MPP is just a killing machine and not a party that can help us govern Ghana. Let me make a statement again and put it on record. 90% of Ghanaians have come to that realization that the MPP as a political party is a killing machine. It is not a machine. It's not a party that is willing and ready to help us govern as a people. And Internet, so many people walked away from this personal protest because Afenyomakin wants his girlfriend Tokonu, the Chief Justice who has been suspended, to know, say, Sebio Minja Ukwemu, I am doing everything possible to bring you back, which is never possible. Now, Shadia, before we go into the demonstration itself, Yansha numbers na NPP focus say Ebin Sida, the biggest numbers are Yehubi or Ghana election. These are the numbers. demonstration no MPP plus 4 parties in any. I'm just a Ghana for Jimmy. So demonstration on we here no 4 parties plus MPP. And I'm here no. I did not edit this. So these are pictures, videos you saw. And I'm so happy. They be a catch a government we say, Senka any day a government will be try or best stop it Obi from demonstrating in Ghana. Kajo Mahama Buncha me mabodam. The NDC government is not going to stop anybody from demonstrating. Some person called John Mahama office the letter question in Sema. You have the right. Yeah, the bema. Yeah, tata will be a some person demonstration weekend be a the NDC government will give you protection. This is the NPP now. Almost some of the biggest opposition party in Ghana. Now, almost kasa yentie. This is their biggest demonstration. Adaya, they are saying, say, yenyina sorry. Yenyina no, yenja ni medio muchi. Ena munam kuno mubo tucho mucho. Ebi ana yobi, cho mucho. I just say, after making, wacha enyoma tuwa yemboma ni girlfriend tokunu. Ena demonstration, besiaba. Ebi ana yobi, cho mucho. Now, who ya demonstration about girlfriend na? On can't just our girlfriend demonstration in charge. Demonstration you bubu tot 13 nko na 13 mra before demonstration we so yeah strictly by invitation there strictly by invitation demonstration. I've told you people the NPP still don't understand the say Ghana nye krasi biemo. They are no more attractive and they will never be attractive until party nankasa goes into detention for bare 50 years. The ideology behind the party Ghana for nyina behu. The reason to a party we were no Ghana ni bia we 10 years cranim. It's real serious Ghanaians who think deep. They will never fall for these gimmicks. No, these antics. Ghana ni anajuni juma will never fall for this. Now nim dia ya. They be got the technology. MPP leadership in penifo na yadwin so magimi. Na dia ya ne say enkwara no mu di akire no. Sa young ones now with the party no without due respect. Do Jimmy champion for no no and then a hard no. Because at a point I was thinking, say, a bedroom point to be cut off point to be or some new crop of young people be they are intelligent enough to understand, say, and your tribe, and your literature party, and your lies, and your timid power. Now being honest in your deliberation, in your communication, and being honest about things you speak on. But there you say, in Kitwana Mudi Cheno, Emi Asamikawi, Omo Jimmy Champ, MVB demonstration. Yeah, the card about the placard about him. Aya, ya jong, a coca da seas ya. After your market, some go for free with the bar. Jimmy, hey, MVB. Mikasa Jones, me more there. After your market, or the bus bed 20. Winnie before omunya djumo idu na ji usika e ya kan tum what the mic ne ba inkranze oyo hu papa men kasa rough omu di Winnie bam omu tim futuro omu Winnie ba to kaswa in futuro omu tim kikiri afenyo marking dan yire nchen e ni girlfriend awo enchen e wo e la tobi okwashi ene wasesa gofu egu trotro every Uniba ene wa ka kire one awon me ka kire one yes afashe wie 120 Ghana aza woda warko yende wokwa wode bibi be one kuta one kasa inkran na record inkran yidu nkran a wobusa wasema menka kwame ato nano ono so nano ye meka osamese bidu ha no wode mam emi nyimadze emi kom na wodem na me ko fanti no ko bi na de no enkwase asem we ne ye guide de ye gina ya say MPP ko demonstration. You see the foolishness with these people. They know, say, their followers are ignorant. They know, and technology and go you. Mumba musema technology, and that technology and carry go. Kaka say, hey, demonstration no my. Kwame atuni ebusa and said, watch also. Or some minimazo, I mean, Miss Kime, what's me free winning by a member. Yeah, pin order mayan, I watch Sujaman on order main. It's ya swane gukabu we jana yire ne maofie ade a wonji 200 Ghana na wonko kuta tabo what the tabo beba one say de omu free Winnie baba de ka kire omu no afenyoma ka kire omu say what concern idu nkran na wo fra baby circle idu a obema tabo me kuta wo ma tabo na one dwom men ko kasa nkran de won kasa rough edun kan na them radio fui watch mic abrofui wobekasa wanyua yiwanyua yeda men kwa kasangu kasadim ikasa wo hu kwame ato so de wo hu camera ohu hwida wo hu oba no ho febusa questions kwame ato say ende mame nkebi na nipa nche meduru fia evidence
including yourself mi jara mo ni mame
wo no mo ni ma o what's the fire day
o de
ma o de fire
minimo
so who ni made the crowd
mi jara mo ni mame
wo no mo ni ma o what's the fire day
o de
ma o de fire day
e dey tell me ba what's my name
what's the day
what's my kind
what does it say one try I don't want to share
minimo
so who ni made the crowd
mi jara mo ni mame
wo no mo ni ma o what's the fire day
o de
ma o de fire day
e dey tell me ba
osisa won fi winiba abo akire no wodi ezban wi ano wosisa ogu ka with them ponche wada abankan obema otabo mekuta wode ma wa e pagya tabo n e bankanfo dem radio phone wo kabrofo dodo e wa kan wanu dum kwame atoso tumi nkana no dum into ono so do ye busa ne nsam and I say me na obeba na ode ma minimum adko na yeto MPP ko demonstration into yenjai bibia out of frustration and the minority leader Madam Tokonu's boyfriend, he slapped the police officer. And I expect the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on that. You know the reason? Because Afenyomakin ebo police in Yasum. And as a minority leader, this Afenyomakin, he slapped a professional police officer who was protecting such a twerp. Afenyomakin was being protected by a police officer and a police officer said you was on a V8 and a police officer wagina a riaso for hours. Afenyomakin, who is supposed to know better, also a lawyer or a minority leader, he actually stretched his hand at a police officer. Obo police in Yasum, and this political party, you expect young people like us to get up. Sorry, send me the MPP. Memkasama MPP. Mejimi. This is Afenyomakin out of frustration because Odimse or PBB, you see, at a point they wanted to cause commotion. At a point they wanted chaos. At a point they wanted to push the police to the wall. Na BBNC, na etuonto, na BBNC na makase. Police for Mahama police for Bomutu. It was not happening. When they go to the Jubilee House, yaya barricades. Before you go through the barricade, we need to know you, identify you, and know who you are. Because you are entering the Jubilee House. Sebio, Papa Fie. You are entering the seat of government. Until you cannot just be said, may I have at least they need to have a physical assessment of you before you are given that nod to enter. Who say, John Mahama and Abain, they have given them every access. Access bia chaos obiani police for have been professional. He wanted to start something. He wanted to confront the police. Now a person police for reacting. Now afe intokwakwesi in front of Jubilee House. Now afe okoka say John Mahama police for the instructions omumbo ono minority leader and MPP for in front of the Jubilee House. And I'm expecting the Ghana Police Service to release a statement on this because I dare have no here no sebio Senka police ni na tinin nsa ewo Afenyomakin so a ankenda na dwinkianda. This is Afenyomakin. This is Afenyomakin slapping the police officer. He actually slapped the police officer twice. And the IGP boss is sitting there. He should be charged. He assaulted the police officer. 2 times Afenyomaki slapped the police officer. This twerp, and we sit in Ghana. This is a person who is supposed to know the law. He is the minority leader in parliament. He slapped an innocent police officer 2 times. So imagine, say, a police officer in the tenant and saw Afenyomaki so can I drink better. But the IGP is sitting there. He thinks that we are building a church. The IGP is sitting there because he used to have friends in the MPP. So when the MPP they fool, the IGP covers it up because Jimmy. Now, Sir just away from Afenyomaki. When a young man tomorrow shoots a policeman in the head, are you going to go arrest the policeman? Afenyomaki is a member of parliament. He's a lawmaker. Afenyomaki is a member of parliament who knows how the law works. And also he's a lawyer. And you, the IGP, you are sitting there like a toy. You think this is a joke? You think this is about going to church and going to dance? You think that the law was made for you and your friends? You have to be fired as an IGP. You are a waste of space. Afenyomaki, a member of parliament, leading a protest, a young police officer stands in the sun for hours to protect Ghanaians and protect Afenyomaki. Afenyomaki gets in front of the Jubilee House and slaps a police officer. And you, the IGP, you sit there like we are joking in this country. If you cannot be the IGP, just fucking walk out. He needs to be arrested. He needs to be charged with assault. And we sit there and we are sitting there, innocent person, why is Afenyomaki walking? Why is the police not bringing a statement out? Why is he not being invited? A police officer was assaulted by the minority leader. Watch the video again. You, this IGP, you will never have peace under me.
Other one and some outdoor Kelvin Taylor, Edibet Uja, and you could see. Mamma can for tap send and for Emma, so I'm none. As I was saying, this carry about gun and from Obama's bank account and as a ZP. Qua apps and as a play store, knock down, do tap see beside promo code. No about the party where I show near Chobunus at the account, so she made off pa, Messa Sobas for comment at twice here. Also, Shannon got off for so, saying you'll be answered my video. Media, but now, some of my crime, you best share a beer.
Mr. Mankwa. Me offer was a niska bania de wie project no. Eso de bia me offer sika ma ne wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap send nka.
No so ne de.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send sika free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey ne say.
Chire ne say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya ebebu sanso promo code or ma the pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
enya me kwa friend aka a kire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send at the good news aba tap send the gene customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no obey ne say
so we customer wo UK sisi a ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so. Enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet num anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abere sem a opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet num no tie
enya set say yusu momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na
papa no